My name is Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and today I'm going to teach you how to nose manual. This is an easy trick, but before you get started, you have to be really well grounded in just riding your board. I want you to have your balance down, be able to push well, and just have an overall good feeling just riding your skateboard around. You have to know how to ollie, and you have to know how to manual. This is an easier trick than the nose manual, so get it down first. Now your foot position is going to be like this. Your front foot is not going to be all the way on the nose, but kind of in that position right there on the flat part of the nose, and your back foot just about to the back of the truck. When you first start to learn this, just find a line and just practice going from one line to the other. Start out holding your back truck up in the air by bending your back knee more than your front. Both knees are bent, but your front knee is going to be more straight. You can notice how my knees, my legs, and my arms are. This just helps to keep the balance. And notice how my front foot is on that flat part of the nose. That also helps a lot too. Once you got that part down and you got your ollies up the curb, the next thing to do is to take it to up a curb. Find a nice clean curb that has a smooth top and isn't too high to start out with. I ollie up and I land right in the nose manual. This is the hardest part, just landing in the nose manual and getting your confidence up. You notice how my feet change position from the ollie position to up onto the top of the board, and I land with the feet position of the nose manual. This is the trickiest part, just moving your feet from the ollie position up to the front of the board. And like I said earlier, you want to land with your front foot on the flat part of the nose. So slide your foot up, and then when you bring your foot down, it should be right on that part of the nose, and you should land right onto the top of the curb. Now, just like the manual, you don't want to ollie high. You want to ollie just enough to get up the ledge. That is very important. It's going to help you out a lot. Next thing, after you get up the ledge and you can land a nose manual, is holding that manual steady and still. Notice how I don't move a lot. I try to hold as still as possible when I'm doing manual tricks to ollie up, find that good point of balance, and then just hold that steady and still. You can learn that point of balance by practicing a lot on flat. Once you get this trick down, you can do many different things with it. You can take it to many different obstacles, do tricks in the middle, do tricks in and out. Do whatever you want, but most of all, have fun. Go to BrailleSkateboarding.com and send me your videos. Don't forget to subscribe.